guys, and welcome back to another video. So you guys, I am truly feeling myself with these braids in, or these passion twist in. They were everything. So a huge thank you to the Nice One Hair Company, and they are located on Amazon and you can find them there. I will have all of the details in the description box. So when I opened my Amazon package, this is what was in it. It was all nicely packaged, and this little sack, y'all, had a little zip on it, and best believe I am putting someone's Christmas present in there to wrap. But it comes with a card so you can see all of the colors that they offer, as well as detailed instructions on how to actually install crochet passion twists. As you see, I got the 18-inch T30, and it is like a 1B kind of towards the top, and then a T30 towards the bottom. I'm not a girl that plays with color a lot, but I actually love this. Now, as you can see, y'all, this came with 7 packs of hair. 7. Now, if you are not a person that loves thick hair, you can probably get like 2 styles out of this. Also came included with a crochet hook, as well as little colored decorative baubles to put in your hair once it is done. So you guys, I am starting this like I do almost every crochet hair video. I'm going to do the rubber band method and part my hair in boxes. You see, I have my ORS olive oil edge control, which is one of my favorites. It's not super sticky and it's not super heavy, so I love this edge control. I got this from my beauty supply store, but I know they sell it on Amazon as well. So at least for the front, I'm going to be using the edge control to kind of brush up my hair just to make sure that it does not come out of the rubber bands. So one more thing that I did that I forgot to mention, I'm kind of pulling my edges out now as opposed to after they are already rubber bands and I'm just leaving them wild and crazy looking. So now I'm starting on the second row, and here's what I was trying to show you guys. Instead of just like I did it in the last video where the boxes are one after the other like stacked, I'm kind of staggering them because I notice when I wear my crochets, if I don't stagger them, sometimes it will like fall open like I did the cornrow crochets instead. Does this make any kind of sense? I have no idea. Hopefully you guys understand it. My boxes are not one on top of each other, they are staggered. Now these are all of the boxes that I'm making. You feel free to go as far back as you want to, girl. This is just what I felt like doing. And after I did this, I am rubber banding all of them in the basically the same row, just together. So then that tail end of those braids, I'm just going to be braiding back with the rest of that hair that's back there, just to get a firm, solid base and just to ensure that all of my hair is braided up nicely. I absolutely love crochets because they are so easy and simple to do. Even beginners can rock this out. Moms getting their daughters ready for school. I mean, this is a really simple style. The hardest part, in my opinion, is just getting your own natural hair together. And the good part about this style is the less amount of hair you have, the quicker it will go. Alright guys, this is a new product I'm trying called Scalp Stimulator. It is by Basque and Lather Co. I just started trying this. It's like a cold press oil for hair, so I will definitely let you guys know how it works. I'm also going in with some black Jamaican castor oil, and I just like to put both of these products in my scalp just to stimulate growth. If you guys want a video about how I have grown out my hair, definitely comment down below. And now I am just sewing all of those ends up so they're not dangling down. And like I said, I just want a nice base. But y'all, let's get into this hair. This hair is gorgeous. Like I said, it's from the Nice One Hair Company. I love this natural ombre that it gives. I mean, it is representing for the brown girl. Sometimes as a brown girl, I don't play with color, I think, like I should or like I can, just because I'm so unsure of what looks good on me. But this hair was popping. It gives you a lot of color for the fall, and if you want to know how to put this in, it's so easy. Just stick your crochet hook under your rubber band, hook your hair around it right there on the loop, close it, pull it through, and then pull your hair through that loop. If you cannot, like a bread sack, like the little bags that your bread comes in, if you can put that in the knot, you can put crochets in. Listen, it's so easy. I'm gonna show you how I did it again. And at this point, it's just fun. You're just hooking them everywhere. You see the rubber band, so there's one in each box, and this was so quick and so easy to do. Okay guys, so I absolutely love the way that this is coming out. I am going to do one or maybe two of these in real time so you can see how quick it is to put this in. Okay, so are you ready? Let's go. So you're gonna slide it right in, hook it, pull it through. Then you're gonna pull your crochet through the hole. Literally, that's it. Y'all, I think it's been about 4 minutes and I have 3 left of this first pack. Plus, all this is almost done. The hardest part of this style is just prepping like your real hair, your natural hair, parting it, all of that. After that, actually applying the crochets, easy. Last one. This is the last one of the first pack. Bag number 2, guys. So I used all of bag number 1 and a couple of pieces, about 2 or 3 of bag number 2, and I was completely done with the front, and I love how this hair hangs. But now I still have to fill in this back section, so I'm going to do it off camera and check in with you once I am done. Boom, done, just like that. You guys, I love this color. I love this hair. It was soft, no frizzing. It didn't smell. Like, I was actually really feeling this. So there are some spaces I need to go in and fill in, as you can see, but it was super full. However, I didn't like the front. I felt like, it's too much of a gap. If you don't care about that, don't worry about it. But I wanted to fill in with just a few more little crochet pieces, just to bring it a little closer to like my hairline, so it just wasn't so pushed back. So I am doing that right now, and it was so easy and so simple to do. I mean, I almost wanted to show it to you in real time because it just went that fast. And you guys, look at this hair. Tell me this hair isn't gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. Like I said, no smells, no tangles, no frizzing. This was so easy, and I love the ombre color, and I absolutely love how the ombre color isn't right up against my face to make me like not really feel it. Like, I like it's a little lower. I love that. Okay, so for those of you that wanted to see the back, because I always forget to show the back, that was the back. It's nice and thick. It hangs nicely, and I was trying to figure out the style I wanted to do with the bun and hanging down. I didn't do it in this video, but I may be doing it later. And of course, listen, your style is not made if your edges are not laid, girl. Now, I am not an edge doctor. Let me just start by saying that. I am not the edge master. I don't do them like that. I don't even like tons of baby hair, but I will say your braids and crochets look neater if your edges are together. So, for that reason, I had to do a little something to my edges, y'all. And at this point, I don't even know if you're watching one of my hair videos if I'm not in the mirror saying cheese for a minute. Girl, I gotta see how this hair is laying so I can see how these selfies are gonna look. So I had pulled my hair up in a like a high up ponytail, which is actually how I've been wearing it. But yeah, I wanted to wear it down just to see how it was looking. Now total, I have 1 bag left, but like I said, I think I'm going to try to fill in a few spaces that I have, but at this point I really haven't. No one has noticed and everyone has loved it. So yes, I am extremely happy. Definitely check my description box if you want details on this hair, as in where to find it. Everyone has given me compliments on it, and I absolutely love that. Okay, but like I said, it also came with these little decorative baubles, and I wanted to show you how they look if you put them on. Since I have on an orangey red sweater, I was like, and why not go for the red and pinks? So how I do mine is I put one towards the top, one towards the bottom, then I pull a second like piece of hair out and kind of put it in the middle just to spice it up just a bit. But if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.